Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Four from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for February 28th, 2018. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. Well, it was a bit of a stinger today. For the second straight day, we saw stocks close significantly lower, and this one hurt a little. If you can look here at the Dow, we closed lower by 380 points. So taking us right back to that downsloping 20. The S&P 500, it was lower by 30 points and also getting back to that 20-period moving average, which we'll talk about in just a few moments in a bit more detail. The Nasdaq still further away from that 20, but down 57 points today. And the Russell, which is full of small caps, really was what led the market lower here, down 24 points. The small caps getting hurt a lot more than the large caps here. Bonds today, slightly higher. TLT up 75 cents. The 10-year yield, the yield on the 10-year note, traded at 2.866 today. So not that big of an issue. While gold closed pretty much flat, up about 90 cents or so. Not bad at all, though, considering the strength in the U.S. dollar. And let's have a look at that U.S. dollar index. There we go. And now, this is what we were talking about earlier. You know, could we get above those Feb 8th, Feb 9th highs? Well, there it is. We just did. So, any follow through here over and above today's highs, and we should continue going higher. This could take us to about 91.5 or so, the next level of support on the U.S. dollar. Crude oil today, getting hit again, down $1.44 at the official close. Not a good day for crude. Now, the month has come to an end, which means the monthly bars have closed. And so if we look at the indexes here and have a look at the monthly charts, you can see the Dow still a decent bar here. I mean, we traded much lower and then made more than half of it back. So first red candle we've had in quite some time, but momentum is still there. Trend is still there. Not bad, right? The S&P 500, same thing. Doesn't look bad at all on the monthly. The Nasdaq looks even better here. As after trading significantly lower, there it is. We pretty much made it all back. And the Russell, pretty much looks like the Dow and the S&P. But there's a couple other things to look at when we look at these charts. If we go back to the daily, what you want to do is have a look at the 50 and that 200-period moving average. Now here, the Dow today closing back below that 50 line. So any follow through here, any trade below that today's low here could trigger a move to retest these lows. The S&P 500, very similar to the Dow. There it is, closing below. The Nasdaq not quite there yet, which is positive. Heading that way, but not there yet. And the Russell was already below and actually triggered it. So here, this is the thing. Now we're going to come back here to retest this 200 moving average and these February lows. Do we hold? That is the major question. All right. That's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we will see you on our next update.